Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to have the exact percentage, for example inside the battery, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down in order to find notifications and control center. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll in order to find status bar. And as you can see at the very bottom of this first section, we've got the battery indicator, so let's tap, and here here we've got three different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this option currently applied, so you've got only the battery indicator, but you can change it to display the percentage inside the battery icon. So this is the option I've had previously applied, or next to it. And as you can see, from now on I've got the percentage right next to the battery icon. So of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will probably stick with this option with percentage inside the battery icon. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.